Hi friends, it's Miss Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how you can go bowling inside the house. It's hard not being able to leave the house and do some things that we, have fun doing. But we can do games right at home with things that you find around the house. And all you need is a pair of socks and some bottles like I have here. This is called sock bowling. It's best done on a shiny surface because what you're going to do is kind of slide the socks and to knock over the bottles, okay? So if you have like a hardwood floor or a table like this, that'll work really well. So basically you just take the socks and we're just going to kind of fold them. Can you count with me, friends? Count to 2. 1, 2, and then just kind of fold them over. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and that's going to be kind of like your ball. Now for the bottles, you can use any kind of bottles. I just have some water bottles here. I got a variety so that you can see that you can use any kind. There's like a honey bottle here. There's a spice bottle. I think this is vinegar. It really doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter how many. You can pick a certain number because you know what, friends? Did you know that you can use this game to learn to count? Hey, Sock Bunny, did you know that?
Everybody knows that.
Oh, okay. Well, can you help me count with my friends?
Sure. Friends, let's count the bottles. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bottles, yay!
Good job, Sock Bunny. Yep, there's 6 bottles. Now I'm going to put them back. Can you count with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, friends. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to play this game. Basically what we're going to do is just going to slide the sock along the table, okay? So I'm just going to get up and I'm going to show you how we do it. So I have the sock right here, and what I'm going to do is just push it along the table so that it hits the bottles like this. Push and let go. Okay, let's try it. Ready? And we'll see how many we can knock over, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, I knocked them over. Let's see how many. How many do I have left? Just 1. So how many did I knock over? 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 seems to have disappeared. 5. There it is. Okay. Good job, friends. That was fun. And you can do this at home, and it's a safe game, and it's basically like hardly any cleanup. So parents, you can try any number of bottles, and you can try bigger bottles if you want, just any bottles that you have at home. I hope you enjoyed it, friends. Have fun. I'll see you soon. Bye.